Hello, ambitious entrepreneurs. Today, I am thrilled to share with you an incredible opportunity that will not only change the way you do business, but will also set you on the path to financial freedom. Now, imagine making 5 figures every month leveraging the power of fintech. I'm here to guide you through 5 different earning channels and an innovative approach to building passive income. When we're done with today's video, you'll be able to turn your skills and knowledge into a lucrative business that brings in 5 to 6 figures consistently on a monthly basis, most especially if you're in the business and finance niche. If you're new here, a very big welcome to you. I'm Amaka Oguchi Orum, back with another video on helping you gain success on your journey towards entrepreneurship and living a better lifestyle. Right here, we talk about all things personal development, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. If that interests you, then you should click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our hot topics. First and foremost, let's talk about the 3 platforms and get to fully understand how this innovative approach would work in our favor to build income. So first is Prokip, second is Fintech Promonie, and third is leveraging. So these 3 platforms are the game changers that will work as a simple laid out system to help us achieve our goal. But I'm going to save the best for last. So stay to the end if you want to see how I was able to generate this in a short period of time, and I know that you can do the same. The first platform is about a business management accounting system that is made to suit businesses in Africa, and it is called Prokip. What makes Prokip stand out as an amazing product is its high functionality, its robust features, and its user-friendly interface. Prokip is customizable and can work for most product and service-based businesses. It can sort out most of your accounting needs, it can manage your inventories for business owners, and it can also handle your billing and invoicing. It is one of the best accounting softwares and business management apps out there. Another interesting feature that catches a lot of attention is that it works both offline and online. It has a cloud-based system that can synchronize all of your work at the back end, and it allows for seamless integration with other tools and systems. There are different currency values like the Nigerian Naira, the Kenyan and Ugandan shillings, Ghanaian cedis, euros, and of course, the dollar. This means that all countries in the world can actually make use of the software. So these are just a few of what makes Prokip a fantastic accounting and business management solution. Now, the first backbone strategy of our financial freedom with Prokip is that as someone who is affiliated with Prokip, or if you are a direct seller, you'll be able to earn a generous commission for every license sold. I'm talking about as much as 30 to 40% in commission. You can also go ahead and sell Prokip at a profit price and still get a commission from Prokip. Not only that, you also earn a monthly commission on license renewals for a lifetime as long as the user keeps using the software over and over again. So if we were to put a number to that, the least commission you could get from deploying Prokip alongside renewals to 5 businesses or 5 business owners is about 200,000 Naira monthly. So you can reach out to business owners or people looking out for these business solutions like supermarket owners, school owners, laundry services, hospitals, or any other product or service-based business owners and recommend Prokip. And in return, you receive a generous commission of 30 to 40% every time you have a successful referral. So it's a win-win situation that expands your income potential. Now, Prokip has a fintech that is embedded in it, and it is called Promonie. Now, this brings me to the second fintech platform, which is Promonie. Now, fintech, as you already know, is there to make life easier for customers and business owners when it comes to financial services. And if you've heard of OPay or any of these loan apps, these are all fintechs. And Promonie is an example of this, and it has been planted inside Prokip. Now, to direct sellers and affiliates who have sold Prokip, your means of making money doesn't just end when you have sold the software, because for each time the user uses Prokip, which has Promonie planted inside, you'll be generating passive income from 5 different earning channels of Promonie. You'll agree with me that that is really exciting. You've taken one action of selling Prokip, and then all you have to do is just sit back and have money coming into your account every day. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how is this possible? Well, it's possible because these earning channels appear as features on the Prokip software, which the business owner must use. So as long as these features are being used by the business owner, the deployer earns money every day, which is an incredible way of building passive income, residual income. And just to walk you through some of these earning channels, we have the payment. So if any payment is made, you make 0.05% in commission, whether it's offline payment, online payment, if it's sales payment, I mean any payment at all, you have a commission of 0.05%. Secondly, there is the funding feature where you, the deployer, can make 20 naira each time the business owner funds their wallet, okay? The same goes for the transfer feature. Anytime a business owner makes a transfer, for example, making transfer payments for goods or to pay for a service that you must have, acquired, you make 10 naira from each of the transfer. The fourth way you can also make money is with the SMS feature. You earn 1 naira per SMS, so business owners can use Prokip to send SMS for promo reminders, holiday wishes. Churches can also use this feature to send reminders to their members for important, announcements, and you make money. Schools can also use this to send reminders to parents, and it can also be used to send transactional SMSs. There is just so much a business owner can use the SMS feature for. Now, lastly is the payroll, where the business owner you have deployed Prokip to uses the HR payroll feature to pay staffs or contracted staffs. You would make money. So when we really take a look at all these earning channels, put them together to about 1 or 2 businesses, you could be making well over 100,000 naira every month. These features are what your clients will enjoy using and will make their business run seamlessly, and you will be able to benefit from that and grow your income. How cool is that? I'm sure you agree with me that this is a really cool way of making passive income this year. So all in all, you're making money from selling Prokip with a 30 to 40% commission, all right? You could also sell Prokip at a higher price and make extra profits. You make money from monthly or yearly renewals, and you make money from the 5 different earning channels of Promonie. This business approach can quickly become a significant source of monthly income to grow your income streams. Last but not the least, we have the innovative platform, the leveraging system. And this is just a way to supercharge your little effort, and it will generate a whole lot for you. So in this aspect, you're going to build and leverage on your existing network. To me, this is the most exciting way of quickly bringing in big numbers to your account. So basically, you build a team of like-minded individuals who are in your niche, the business and finance niche. People who share your passion for accounting softwares like software resellers, bookkeepers, accountants, business coaches, and so on. You get them to become affiliates or partners with Prokip, and you make commission, all right, from a partner that you get. The least in commission you get is about 30,000 naira. So you get 50 partners, for example, you should be looking at earning about 1.5 million. Now, this is achievable in 2 to 3 months, okay? Now, it doesn't just end there, because for every activity your sign up carries out, whether it's them selling Prokip or the earnings they generate from sales payments or from the new signups they get themselves, from renewals, from the SMS features that the business owner is using, any activity, however they are making money, you would also be getting a commission from all their activities. So basically, in this aspect, you are not just going to be earning from you getting them in as partners, but you are also going to be earning from all and any of the activities generated by your network, generated from your team. My friend, I don't know about you, but this is absolutely fantastic. And that's the same way I was able to pull this off in a short period of time. I'm talking about months, using the leveraging system. Now, there's a link in the comment section for those who love this whole concept. Once you click that, you can get registered and get started off with any of the packages there. There'll also be a discount code for you to use, because if I can do it, I believe that anyone can do it too. The interesting part about all of this is that you don't necessarily have to be in the business and finance niche to be successful with this, because there's actually an easy way for you to get new partners or new clients that will be using the software, because Prokip offers you free comprehensive sales and marketing pieces of training where you'll be taught online advertising to get interested clients or to build your network. You also get free product training for those who want to learn more about the features of Prokip. You want to learn more about the superiority of Prokip. You'll be getting a free product training for that. You also get free resources, free marketing tools. You have access to daily support or physical support from business relationship managers, which is what a lot of all these softwares out there lack. Okay, there are also agents on ground that will be happy to meet up with you or a business owner if the need arises. I mean, with all of these, there should be nothing stopping you from achieving 5 to 6 figures except your excuses and yourself. So there you have it, the blueprint to financial freedom using Fintech Prokip, a business management accounting software. So you can choose the channel that resonates with you, or you can do all of them at the same time. It all depends on you. So don't forget to check out the link to start building the life you've always dreamt of. All right. You also get a discount code when you use the discount code that I have provided in the comment section or in the description box. So if you're ready to take the next step, click the link in the description or in the comment section to get started. It is time to turn your passion for numbers into a thriving business. The journey to your financial freedom begins now. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this information valuable, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on building passive income. So with that said, we have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to get more videos like this. So until next time, take care.